Okay, puppy. Gentle. Be gentle.
I ain't wearing that, right? Yes, you are. Oh, no,
No, you are.
actually, I'm not ready.
But you are.
I
You
will
like the
fight
puppy
crime,
now?
butt ass naked, before I fight it in that ring.
You know, you have fought naked. We've got that. That's on YouTube. This is a uniform. A uniform represents purpose. Doctors, policemen, firemen, right?
Right.
It represents a calling.
2 weeks.
Yeah?
Lying out there is missing you, right?
Just be patient. You gotta trust me on this. Alright?
Touch his nose. Not his eye. Don't poke him in the eye. Don't poke her in the eye, okay? Not in the eye.